Good morning. Today I am going to share a different topic altogether which affects every industry and business for the core purpose, that is productivity. Whatever measure financially or otherwise we do, the core word remains in the productivity, input versus output. Very many big industrial houses have been targeting and focusing on, or rather all the industries and businesses targeting on how to improve productivity of all the resources, right from man, machine and money. I had the opportunity across my career of 35 years to be with a multinational conglomerate for around a decade, where I had the opportunity to come across to be part of the core team of world class manufacturing, world class marketing, world class services. And that has been a very great experience for me. And organizationally, as a group, having been practiced this concept of world class manufacturing, every unit of that conglomerate group has achieved a lot, not for the short term but for the future, ahead with excellence. So that is world class manufacturing. Today I am going to focus on this topic. What is world class manufacturing as a concept? It is basically a comprehensive management system which is designed to enhance manufacturing performance and productivity, and it is crafted to create much required organizational culture, people mindset and passion by art of managing through team, be it functional team, be it cross functional team, with leadership at all levels. I repeat, leadership at all levels. That means bottom up, top down. So this concept is focused directly on how to improve productivity of all the resources within the manufacturing system, be it man, be it machine, be it money, be it material. And essentially there are 8 pillars of world class manufacturing system. The first system is waste elimination. Waste elimination, which is otherwise called MUDA. Second is work environment, that is 5S. That is basically used mostly in TPM, total productive maintenance, but 5S is the base, which is called work environment. Third is just in time in terms of supply chain management. And fourth is equipment effectiveness. Equipment effectiveness is basically derived by implementing total productive maintenance. Fifth is customer driven, whether it is internal or external. Both the internal and external customers are taken very much care of in the world class manufacturing system to satisfy both internal and external customers. And sixth is quality first. Quality first and quality first. That is done by statistical quality method and practicing the best of the best practices. Seventh pillar is liaison, team force, skills development of people, top down and bottom up. And eighth but not the least is information system, business process reengineering, technology and cash flow. Now these 8 pillars are the pillars of world class manufacturing. All the pillars normally cannot be started at a time, and there are huge homework, base work, training on the concept of world class manufacturing, core team identification, core team training, core team development with a focused secretariat. That means world class manufacturing secretariat who monitors the progress, who monitors the way it is going on, to give feedback to the management how it is going on. To be honest enough, the first and foremost thing required for going for world class manufacturing is mindset of the top management. I repeat, mindset of the top management. Are they prepared for that? Are they serious? Are they committed? Do they have patience? Do they have curiosity to know how world class manufacturing system can enhance or improve productivity of all the resources within the manufacturing system? Now for doing this, there are 5 words which evolves and revolves around all the pillars activities step by step. That is QCDIP. I repeat, QCDIP. Quality, cost, delivery, innovation and productivity. I repeat, quality, cost, delivery, innovation and productivity. Across the organization, top down and bottom up and top down, every individual, every function, every cross-functional team are to undergo this QCDIP training. Once these 5 words are translated into action in a planned way, practicing the designed methods and practices of world class manufacturing, for sure there is no doubt that productivity of the manufacturing will improve. I would like to add one more point here, that safety, security and systems are also at the same time becomes part of WCM, that is, call it ISO 9000, 14000, 18001, OSHAS, so on and so forth. This comes automatically within the process of practicing rigorously, righteously, religiously of the WCM concept. I had the opportunity to be part of this concept right from the conception to result or outcome measure. So if any organization, if any top management or other fraternity in the organizations have a keen attention, confidence, willingness and a mindset to take up world-class manufacturing system or process for improving productivity, please feel free to have a discussion, to go ahead. Hope my brief introduction on world-class manufacturing system will give little bit food for thought to think and to think if can be gone ahead. Thank you very much. In the description I have given much more with my own contacts. Feel free to contact me. Let us have discussion to go ahead. Thank you very much.